Natures and bird. What an amazing combination. And when you find greenery everywhere, you find life so beautiful. You know, this green color is the color of our nature, and it makes our nature so beautiful, so peaceful, so calm. You can spend hours and hours in the company of this beautiful nature. But what is required? A lot of patience, because we get everything in this nature. Only patience can win and help us to learn and to know a lot more. These beautiful white birds and these beautiful green trees, you can just have a beautiful look and you will always feel gay, you will always feel nice, you will always feel happy. Just enjoy the company of nature, and you will find that everything is so well planned, so well organized in our nature, and you will simply love our nature. This is the best gift of our Almighty. Just be there and witness these small beautiful moments and just capture them in your memory, in your heart, in your cameras. They will teach you a lot. Even my love for English always make me write down something and other for this beautiful nature. Nature to its fullest when it sees the creation of God is enjoying it as well. Birds and nature. I hope you will enjoy nature the way I do, and you will love it. Thank you.